Google. Let's go get him again.
Welcome back to the Robezoid channel. I'm your host, Mark, and welcome to your subscriber's choice, where you get to choose what this nose sniffs out. Designer edition. Know a lot of you it's not your favorite, but you know what? Vote. It's always good to maybe get rid of one, get one out. But either way, it's sweater season here in Canada. It's cold. So you're gonna see me in hoodies more often than not now. One of my favorite seasons, I don't know, fall definitely for fragrances. Winter's there too, just because you can wear those daring ones, especially in these Canadian winters. It's -6 or something like that around here now. You know, awaiting the -20, 30, -40 season. Still not there yet, but we do have tons of snow on the ground. You can build a snowman, you can throw snowballs. We're in that season full out right now. But let's get to the subscriber's choice. If you're new here, welcome. Bonjour, comment ça va? Hopefully you're doing well. Basically how it works is you have a YouTube channel, you comment below with your choice, one choice per YouTube handle. So if you got like 10 YouTube channels, go ahead, vote 10 times. Yeah, that's it. That's the requirements. Usually I post these on Tuesday, 48 hours from the posting of this video. I'm gonna shut her down as far as votes go, tally them up, and I know which one I'm working on. And then the Saturday after that, you'll get the video as far as the review itself, because you gotta give me at least a week to get acclimated with one of these samples. So this is highly YSL Dolce & Gabbana related. So if you're a fan of these brands, we'll see. We may have a new, like a winner that's been here for a while. That'd be nice. Something that's been here for a bit. Might as well, you know, get it off and get some fresh blood in the lineup. As always, there's always 4 returnees and then 1 newbie. Obviously, Sauvage Elixir was the one that won last time. Congratulations to Sauvage. That was almost a landslide, basically. So we'll see. Let's start it off with Eau de Parfum Intense. So this one I believe is a 2023 release from YSL. Next is Dolce & Gabbana's Light Blue Summer Vibes, also a 2023 release. Obviously some freshies here, at least what I think. Next is Armani Code Colonia Eau de Toilette, of course another freshie here. Again, I'm probably assuming right. This one I believe discontinued. One that I do collect the Code line. I do collect the light blue line, and the Y I've started collecting. You'll see those in the future, but I was never a fan of the Y lineup. Talking about Y Le Parfum. So that one I believe 2019 or 18 release from Y. Never smelt any of these, so I'm looking forward to sniffing some of them. And again, it doesn't guarantee we're gonna have a positive sampling samples here. You know me. So if you want to see that, you know, there might be some bashing coming up shortly. And the newbie is Dolce & Gabbana's Light Blue. So another light blue, but an older one, Sun put the one with the little sun on it. Always interested in the light blue lineup. I own the original, the Eau de Toilette, and then I stopped. I didn't even collect. I liked it. Not that I liked it. It was a compliment getter for me. The Eau de Toilette, but it's not something I liked personally. So I wear it from time to time, but it's not something that I think is a great DNA. Obviously, it's had at least a dozen flankers since then. The Intense version is the most popular. I do have a sample of that will come up in this. Unfortunately, for some of you that don't like that line, sorry. So we got a lot of, I think, freshies from what I see here. So maybe counter of the season, but always fun to see your comments below and see which one wins. So again, vote your little hearts out. Can't wait. Again, 48 hours, I shut her down and then I review it. Enjoy your Tuesday. And don't forget to tune in tomorrow. We're gonna have a Christian Dior unboxing / first impression. If you haven't checked it out, it's going to be Vanilla Diorama. If you haven't checked out my video from Monday telling you what's going on. So I can't wait for that one to give you my thoughts, unbox it, and let's see if it's a great vanilla or not. Have a good one. See you in the next one.